On today's video, I am going to show you all how to delete a board. Because sometimes you might create a board, you might think you want to use it, then later on you realize that, oh, I don't need it anymore. Maybe you also have a board that you've created just to track like maybe a bug on like in a Kanban board, and you've resolved everything, and now you want to shut down the board. So welcome back to Aisha Scrum platform. I'm very happy to have you all join my platform. For my new subscribers and my current subscribers, I welcome you all and I thank you all for watching. So let me quickly show you all how we can delete a board on Jira. And this can be a Scrum board or a Kanban board. There's two ways we can do this. We can do this for like a shared board. What I mean that by that, it's like a project that have like multiple boards. And how I can see that by clicking on this drop-down arrow on this side. I click on the drop-down arrow, it will show me all the other boards I have on my Jira platform. And for me to basically delete a board that has multiple boards under one project, you have to go under this drop-down arrow and choose View All Boards. And I'll click on View All Boards. And when I click on View All Boards, then the three dots that's here that's saying the board names. If you notice, for some of them it has the three dots and some of them do not have the three dots. That's due to the fact that some of this board, it's a single project board. And I'll show you where you can delete this board and differently from this. So then you just click the three dots. Let's just say I want to delete this, my improvement, shared board. I just click on the three dots. And that's when I now see the delete icon. And when I see the delete icon, then I just hit delete. And then Jira will always give you warning. Are you sure deleting this board doesn't affect the issue on the board and it won't complete or delete any active sprints? I do not have an active sprint on this board, and that's important for you to check to ensure that before you delete a board, ensure that you don't have any active sprints on it. And I don't have any of that, and I just hit delete. Voila! Right away, that's deleted. Say the improvement board is deleted, so automatically it deletes it. So now let's act like we don't have a shared board. We just have one project, like my Aisha Scrum board, and I want to go on that board and delete basically the board for this particular project. And to do that, I have to go to the three dots on here. Because this is, remember, you see the two difference with the other project compared to this project. On this project, it's only one board under Aisha Scrum. Unlike the other Kanban board has multiple board on there. So then I hit the three dots on this side and I go to configure board. And then what maybe some of you can be board settings. It depends on how you have it. There you go on the details. I know for some it might be general at work. And then you have the three dots at the top. They just move to trash. For some of you might even say delete or delete board. My one is telling me to move to trash. So to do that, I just click move to trash and Jira will give me a warning. This project, along with the issues, the component and attached version will be available in the trash for 60 days, after which it will be permanently deleted. So because it's a single project, Jira will help me save it just to ensure that I'm truly sure I am actually deleting this board or deleting this project. If that's the case, I'll just move it to trash. And after 60 days, automatically Jira will delete it. I am not going to be doing this because I'm going to need this board. I use this a lot for all of our teachings and training on here. So in this case, I'm going to hit cancel. But if you want to delete the single project board, and that's where you just hit move and you delete it. And now let me hit cancel because I won't do that. Thank you for watching this mini tutorial on how to delete a board. I hope this content has been valuable to you. If that's the case, please like and subscribe to my channel. I truly will appreciate it. And if you're interested in mentorship, do not hesitate to email me at admin@AishaScrumTech.com. We also have a website now. You can go to www.AishaTech.com for all the inquiries for mentorship. Thank you all and see you all again in my next video.